Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a treat for you. We're diving into the world of amazing car restorations done YouTubers. Whether you're a fan of classic cars, restomods, or just appreciate the sheer determination of these content creators, you're in for a ride. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our exciting car-related content. Let's get started. Hagerty, Barnfind Hunter. First up, we have Hagerty's YouTube channel, which boasts stellar content, including the show Barnfind Hunter, hosted by Tom Cotter. This show takes you on the fascinating journey of finding hidden automotive treasures. Tom crisscrosses the country, exploring the barns and outbuildings of seasoned car collectors, unearthing cars that have been tucked away for decades. The restoration journey often begins with the quest to find the car itself, and Barnfind Hunter captures it beautifully. Power Nation. Next, we have Power Nation, a one-stop shop for all things restomods, recoveries, and total teardowns. This channel hosts over a dozen shows, each with its unique take on car restoration. From Detroit Muscle to Extreme 4x4, they cover an incredible range of classics and enthusiast cars, getting the royal treatment. If you're into the nitty-gritty details of car restoration, this channel has you covered. Ammo NYC. Now let's talk about Ammo NYC. One of the most crucial steps in restoring a car is cleaning off years of dust and grime, and this channel does it with finesse. Owner Larry Kosilla specializes in paint and detail work on both new and old cars. However, what truly stands out are the videos that feature long-neglected classic cars getting their first cleaning in decades. There's something undeniably satisfying about watching a dirty old car transform into a shining, like-new beauty. Rich Rebuilds. Our next YouTuber, Rich of Rich Rebuilds, is all about redeeming the irredeemable. He specializes in salvaging wrecks and neglected cars by giving them a new lease on life. Dive into his playlist page and prepare to fall down the rabbit hole with Rich. Whether it's resurrecting a wrecked BMW i8, building a Tesla quad cycle, or V8 swapping a Tesla, he's got it all. His channel is a testament to the art of restoration and the joy of rebuilding. Adam LZ. Adam LZ, a former BMX pro turned YouTube sensation with over 3 million subscribers, is next on our list. While his content revolves around impressive car builds, you'll also find a mix of Gen Z-friendly shenanigans. One moment he's upgrading his Mustang GT 350, and the next, he's getting pulled over while testing a new transmission. If you're into thrilling car builds and a dash of humor, you won't want to miss Adam's channel. B is for Build. Last but not least, we have Chris and the crew at B is for Build. They're all about ambitious rebuilds and turning them into YouTube gold. They embark on adventures to auctions and salvage yards, rescuing cars that were left for dead and breathing new life into them. From resurrecting a smashed-up Nissan GTR to bringing a flooded Bentley back from the brink, their videos are a testament to the dedication and craftsmanship of the restoration community. So guys, there you have it, an exploration of the incredible car restorations done by some of your favorite YouTubers. As always, if you want to see more exciting content like this, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. Thanks for joining us today on this ride through the world of car restorations, and we'll catch you in the next video. Until then, keep those engines roaring.